How are you going to support the maintenance, the replacement parts, the inevitable repairs and diagnostics that are going to need to be done? How are you going to support that throughout the industry?
So diagnostics is a little bit of an aside, but basically what we're doing is we're building a standardized kind of diagnostics protocol and communications protocol. That information will be available to any of the fleet fleet management tools or diagnostic tools that the fleets currently use. So we're not
You're not trying to like reinvent the wheel when it comes to fault codes or anything like that.
Yeah, we're basically kind of going with industry standards here. And the intention here, again, kind of leading into this industry with humility, is that, when we enter a fleet and we start talking to a fleet, one of the first things we do is we'll go sit and talk to the union steward, we'll talk to the mechanics, we'll talk to the fleet operators, and we'll understand even down to what tools they have in their toolbox.
Right.
So the intention here is that this trailer should be able to show up to any fleet yard and be serviced using the same exact tools. And yeah, maybe the axle now has a bigger lump in the middle of the wheel ends, but the wheel ends are the same brake tools on the wheel ends, same lug nuts, same all of that other stuff. It's just this lump in the middle is a little bit different. You're not
adding complexity to the technician's world.
No way. I used to be an ASE certified master technician, and
You've done a lot in your life, my friend.
I have. And I've worked on cars and trucks. I still work on them at home.
Yeah.
And so I'm incredibly empathetic to all of the different folks that keep this industry running, and we want to make sure that everywhere that we bring a new piece of technology, it feels familiar and it feels like something that is comfortable to use, even if it's something completely new to the fleet.
Yeah. Well, it has been a wonderful opportunity to talk to you. I'm very excited to see where you take this company and how you continue to transform the trucking industry.